Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a brand new subscription box to my channel to share with you, and it's Lovelula. This is how it arrives. It's got my address on the back there. So as always, if you've never heard of it before or you're interested in learning a little bit more about it, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in February's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Now, Lovelula has been mentioned to me on my channel for quite a while. A lot of you would like to see what it's like and learn a little bit more about it, so I decided, right, for 2020 I'm going to be dipping into different subscription boxes. So I thought I'd take a look at this one. The box costs £14.95 a month and it contains all organic and natural beauty, so it could be skincare, makeup, hair care, nails, etc. There's free shipping within the UK with this box, but they also ship internationally. Now on their website they do have a big list of all the different price brackets and things, so you're able to have a look there to see how much it will cost if you're out of the UK. They do a rolling monthly subscription which you can cancel any time. They offer a one-off box for £19.95 and they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost as well. The only difference with shipping internationally, they only offer a 3 and 12 month subscription. They can't do monthly roll-ins and they don't offer a 6 month, so that's something to bear in mind. But all links and everything I'll pop down below, so you're welcome to take a look for more information. If you're curious in seeing past boxes, they have a huge selection on their website, so you're able to look there. If you're interested in signing up for the subscription, if you sign now you will get a March box, and if you subscribe in March you will get a April box. So unfortunately, if you fall in love with this box and you really want it, you're not able to get it. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I bought this box myself. I didn't use a discount code, but if I can find anything online I'll pop it down below. So as I said underneath the video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening it up and seeing what I got inside. This is what it looks like there. So you've got a little card and it tells you everything about the products. It doesn't have individual prices, but it's got that this box has a value of £44. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. Then we've got a little leaflet just saying about the social media channels and things. I haven't had a look yet. I've literally just cut this open and ran upstairs. I was unboxing a different box earlier on, so it's come at a perfect time because everything's all set up. But ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 5 items in there. So the first item in the box is a natural raspberry repairing face oil, 30ml, and it's by the brand I've never heard that before, but love the packaging. Really cool. What's it like? Can you see there? It's a bright yellow. It's a face oil. Feels nice, as an oil does. It smells like hay, but a nice hay, if that makes sense. It reminds me of my rabbit's hutch. It does. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. But it's, yeah, I wasn't expecting that. So what's it say here? Be the first to try the latest exciting oil from Raspberry seed oil is rich in essential fatty acids, possessing a superior anti-inflammatory quality, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. It is also nature's answer for dehydrated and sensitive skin. I love oils for nighttime. I absolutely love like putting a load of oil on my face ready for bed. Love it. I also put oils in my moisturizer as well. So I haven't got acne prone skin, but I've got combination skin, so I tend to have like dry like forehead and cheeks. Not that great, and a little bit greasy in the middle, so T-zone type. So yeah, I'm more likely to use that at night. But no, I really like that. And smelling of hay. So there's that. Next we've got it's a volume shampoo bar, and this is Rescue My Hair, handmade luxury, and it's a vegan shampoo with fava bean, kidney bean, pea and soya. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's a nice big size as well. So we've got 80 grams here. Oh, I like the little pouch. Look at that little box. Isn't that cute? Oh, that smells gorgeous. Oh, it just smells like an old-fashioned natural soap. Just nice and fresh. Yeah, just really nice. That's what it looks like. It's got information in there, but it just says, you know, how to use it, and then you can add conditioner then afterwards. So I will give it a go. I will give it a go. And you never know, something like this is handy to take on holiday, isn't it? Especially if you're going abroad on a plane and you've got carry-on only. Reduces the need for putting shampoos and conditioners liquid form then in one of those clear bags. You got a solid there. So My Hair Care Rescue Shampoo Bar. Selection varies. Handmade luxury shampoo bar that cleanses hair, leaving hair and scalp refreshed and revitalised with a soap-free wellness formulation, soft fragrance and sustainable solutions for the ultimate sensory experience. Second item in the box. Next we've got a product by Laid Bare, and this is naturally inspired beauty for richer, for poorer. It's a pore minimizer facial mask, and this is for oily combo skins, 99% natural with rose flower water, licorice and Japanese seaweed extracts, and we've got 50 mils there. It says on the side here, mask imperfections and reduce pores with our cleansing and hydrating facial mask. Kaolin clay draws out impurities and toxins. Japanese seaweed extract detoxifies and smooths the skin. Shea butter gives hydration and conditions skin, whilst licorice helps minimise inflammation and rose water soothes irritation. It sounds great, doesn't it? It sounds absolutely wonderful. So yeah. So that's what it looks like there. And the information on the leaflet just goes into telling you what I just read off the back of the box there. So there's that item there. Next we've got another product by Laid Bare, and this is a DIY, and it's a 2-in-1 cleanser and toner. Ooh, and it's licorice, aloe vera, apple secrets extract. I've never heard of that before. Brazil nut extracts, and we've got 30 mils there. So it's a cleanser and a toner. A no-nonsense antibacterial and soothing cleanser and toner in one for all skin types. Use AM and PM, rinse off with warm water, avoid the eye area. Oh my word, what's that smell of? It's not a horrible smell, it's not a strong smell, it's almost like a sweet. I think possibly the licorice is coming through maybe. Yeah, maybe the licorice, I'm not too sure. Apple secret extract. I've never heard of that before. It just says here, reduce inflammation, tone and strengthen the skin with licorice and aloe vera extract. So we got a cleanser and toner in one. And lastly, we've got a product by IAME, and this is turmeric and bergamot face scrub. And it's an Ayurveda ritual argan oil, turmeric and papaya extract. And we've got here 20 mils. So I have to put it on my hand. I have to have a sniff. Have a look at it and see what it's like. Ooh, yeah, you can feel all like little grains in there. Oh, it's lovely. That is lovely. Oh, it just smells. I love the smell of just natural ingredients, So deeply cleanse with this turmeric face scrub packed with exfoliating bamboo powder to gently buff away dead skin cells and impurities. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the items inside Lovelula's box for February, and there's 5 items in all. The box costs £14.95 for a rolling monthly subscription, and the value of this month's box comes to around £44. I absolutely love it. I think these products are really exciting. They're a little bit different, and I just think they're really nice. We've got a shampoo bar here, we've got a face oil, we've got a face mask, we've got a cleanser and toner, and we've got an exfoliator. I just think it's really, really nice. And for £14.95 if you opt for the subscription, I think it's really good value for money. I really do like it. And thank you to you lot that messaged me saying, Claire, check out Lovelula, because I'm really happy. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Lovelula? If you do, how does this box compare to previous boxes? Or if you don't subscribe, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Do you think it's good value for money? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.